Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talking about virtual data rooms mistake that can increase your risk exposure. Virtual data rooms VDRs are secure online repositories where businesses can store and share confidential documents with third parties in a controlled and secure manner. So let's start. Here are some of the most common VDR mistakes that can increase your risk exposure. 1. Choosing the wrong VDR provider. When choosing a wrong VDR provider, it is important to consider your specific needs and requirements. These include factors such as security features, ease of use, customer support, and pricing. If you choose the wrong VDR provider, you may end up with a VDR that does not meet your needs or that is not secure enough. This could lead to a number of risks such as security breaches, data loss, and difficulty using the VDR. When choosing a VDR provider, be sure to research different providers and compare their features, security features, case of use, customer support, and pricing. You should also read reviews from other businesses that have used the VDR provider. 2. Not organize your document before uploading them to the VDR. Before you upload your document to the VDR, it is important to organize them in a logical way. This will make it easier for users to find the document they need and for you to manage the VDR. If you do not organize your document before uploading them to the VDR, it will be difficult for users to find the document they need. This could lead to frustration and delays. It could also make it more difficult for you to manage the VDR and to track user activity. When organizing your document, consider creating a folder, a structure, and naming the folder clearly. You should also create a document index which will give user a quick overview and the document in the VDR. 3. Not setting permission for each other. Once you have uploaded your document to the VDR, you need to set permission for each user. This will control who has access to which documents. If you do not set permission correctly, user may have access to confidential documents that they should not see. This could lead to a data breaches or a loss of confidential information. When setting permission, be careful to only give user access to the document that they need. You should also consider using different permission levels such as view only, download, and print. Not using the VDR's security features. VDRs offer a variety of security features such as encryption, access control, and audit trails. That's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.